am still here in Switzerland, in Rheinfelden, where we are going to step aboard this steam engine that will take us up to the Feldschloesschen brewery that is in Switzerland. It's, I believe, the only one solely owned by Switzerland, and they do not export any of the beer, so it is really only available in Switzerland. So if you're visiting this country sometime soon, you gotta try this beer from the Feldschloesschen. We're going up shortly. As you can see, we're stepping aboard this train, and with my friend Marianne, she was chuckling because that's actually a cargo train for cows or livestock. They used to use that for them. So we're just still on the train going up there, and shortly you will see the renowned castle and the architecture that is dating back to 1876. So please join us. We're gonna go walk a little bit through this castle shortly, and just seeing a little bit of the inside that I've never seen. So it's quite the place to visit, and sometimes in the winter time you can see they have markets there. So if it's really snowy and cold and kind of a Christmassy atmosphere, they have trees, the Christmas trees there right here, and markets there too. So apparently it's quite the place to visit. So again, keep that in mind if you're ever in Switzerland during that time and in that area. It's apparently well worth seeing. So please join me. I will take you a little bit on a tour on this inside of this brewery, and then later on, so this is around 10:30, later on around 2 o'clock, this place was totally packed with people. Everybody kind of goes and sees there. You can taste some beer. And in here, we're actually in the area where they have the beer in there, or the malt, and it's starting to brew away. So I thought it was pretty cool seeing these big fermentation chambers, so to say. So come and join me, and we'll take you through the barn as well, where the horses are, that they have carriages that you can rent, I guess, at times for functions, or sometimes you see them at special events where they're going through town of certain areas and that. So they're well known for their horses and the carriage too, and you can see a picture later on too. So join me, please subscribe, follow, and like, share this, and I'm gonna put a short video together too that I'm actually gonna grab that one from the Feldschloesschen brewery that they have on YouTube, and see if I can link it to this video, so you'll see a little bit from the top how this looks. Actually, it's huge. It's unbelievable. It's stunning to see this architecture and know that this is actually a brewery. So please join me on the tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Look. Yeah.